Acid-based titration calculations. A student carries out a titration to determine the concentration of hydrochloric acid. The student titrates the hydrochloric acid against a standard solution of sodium carbonate. The student prepares 0.15 mol dm⁻³ sodium carbonate in a 250 centimeters cubed volumetric flask. The hydrochloric acid is added to a 50 centimeters cubed burette. The student pipettes 25 centimeters cubed of sodium carbonate into the conical flask. The student's burette readings are shown in the table. Calculate the concentration of hydrochloric acid. Before we can get going using my favorite table, we do need to find out the volume of hydrochloric acid used. And this is where it's very important that we use concordant results. Just check the titer here. So this is really the difference in these two numbers. You're looking for results which are within 0.2 centimeters cubed of each other. So look through your titers. It's going to be run 1 and run 3. So let's find our mean titer. So our mean volume of hydrochloric acid added by simply adding 24.2 to 24.3 and dividing by 2 to get a value of 24.25 centimeters cubed. And now it's very straightforward. We're going to use the same method that I've been teaching you guys at GCSE and IGCSE. So we'll take our balanced symbol equation. Going to set ourselves up with my favoured table. Don't forget your formula triangle. And the other thing to remember is that you need to often convert your centimeters cubed to decimeters cubed. And in order to do that, you divide whatever number by 1000. But you're actually ready to go now. We're after the concentration of hydrochloric acid, so that means that's our X value. We just found the volume of hydrochloric acid added, which was 24.25. Because that's in centimeters cubed and I need it in decimeters cubed, I'm going to divide by 1000. Our sodium carbonate, we were told we had a concentration of 0.15. The volume added was 25 centimeters cubed. Again, that needs to be in decimeters cubed. But now I have enough information to find the number of moles of sodium carbonate. I do that by doing concentration times volume. Let's check the mole connection. It's 1 to 2, so I simply need to double that number to find the number of moles of hydrochloric acid. And then finally, to find the concentration, we do number of moles divided by volume. So we take this number and divide it by this number. And there is our final answer. So very similar to what we had to do at IGCSE and GCSE. The only real difference is making sure you can identify the concordant results and therefore use those results to find the mean titer.